Now that you know all about the data layers, let's talk about the tools available to you. The first tool is the Structure tool. This tool provides the opportunity to create a proposed structure based on a specified height and circumference. Once clicked on and dimensions are input, the structure may be located on the map to provide the initial evaluation compared to objects nearby, including airport airspace. When using the tool, notice that you have an area to input the height as well as the width. You can also define the structure by clicking on the drop-down arrow and then choosing a specific structure that you'd like to plot on your map. You can also name the structure as well as add a brief description. Then, if you move to the right, you have a button that will allow you to add multiple structures at one time. I will show you how to do this in the next section of the tutorial video. You will also find a red button that has a trash can picture on it. This will allow you to delete any structures you currently have on the map. Next to the trash can is the Help button. Next to that is a green button with an X on it. This will allow you to close out of the tool completely. Then you have the Line tool, which provides an option to create a linear object with a specified height, width, and length. When using the Line tool, notice you have a box to input a specific height and a box to input a specific width. Then you can specify a length by hovering over the map. Notice your cursor has a black and white dot following it. To place a line on your map, you can click anywhere one time to start the line, and then go elsewhere on your map and click again to draw your line. Moving to the right, you will find your Polygon tool, which allows you to create an area to be evaluated in the Google Earth environment based on your specific height, width, and length. Once you input the height, you can use this tool much like the Line tool. Just hover over any area of your map, and notice again you have the black and white dot following your cursor. You can click to start your polygon, and then to end it, you'll just double click. Next, you have your Measuring tool. This allows you to measure distance or height in the mapped environment. When using the Measuring tool, notice when you hover over your map, your cursor becomes a protractor. You can then click anywhere one time to indicate where to begin measuring, and then click again somewhere else to indicate the end of your measurement. Now take a look at your toolbar window. Notice that it displays the distance for you. You can even go over and click on the drop-down arrow and choose whether you want the measurement in feet, meters, miles, or kilometers. Then you have your Location Search tool. You may need to scroll over using the scroll bar at the bottom of your screen to see the entire toolbar. This tool provides you with several search options. When using this tool, you can click the first drop-down arrow and choose whether you want to search by one of the available options. So if I chose a city, I could then go over to the right and click on that drop-down arrow, and then I could specify a certain city I would like to go to. So in this case, I'm going to choose Garden City. I'll scroll down, and there's Garden City. I'll click on that, and as soon as I click, the map will automatically zoom to that location. You can also put in a specific address in the address box if you have one. To the right of the address box, you have a bookmark button. So if there was a specific location you wanted to come back to at a later time, you could bookmark it with a name to quickly and easily come back to it. Then there's your coordinate calculator. This allows for input of a specific coordinate either in degrees, minutes, and seconds, or decimal degrees. This tool also allows for placement of a structure based on the proposed coordinate. I'm not done yet. This tool even lets you translate between degrees, minutes, and seconds, and decimal degrees, depending upon the input or output requirements of the application being utilized. When using the coordinate calculator, you can input the lat and long and then choose a structure, as well as give that structure a height and width, and then click Add. Once you click Add, it will plot your structure as well as zoom you to that location. I will be showing you this in the next section of the tutorial video.